Hey guys, these are all the parts that are coming in this box here. We have them all set up and broken up. I'm going to walk through how we should set it up. You're going to want to start with these pieces here, these L guys. They are a little unstable, so the beginning part, you're going to probably be fumbling around a little bit, but try and balance them up. And then the first piece we're going to need is this lower basket. So you'll notice these lines, they're going to be on your left-hand side if you're standing behind it. If you're facing it, it'll be on the right. You're just going to line them up. You're going to put them in each side. Once you've lined that up, that'll help hold it a little bit more steady. Try and balance these guys if you can. Then you're going to add this front piece. You're going to notice the grooved ends here. That's where our signs are going to be going in, so make sure this is facing out. Line them over the holes below. Now you're going to be nice and stable. All right, once we have that piece in, we're going to jump to these taller poles. You'll notice that there's 2 holes on them. Make sure they're facing out and make sure that it's on the higher side. They just slide straight in. Then we'll move to the other 2 racks that are going to go on. We'll start with the top guy, just to make it more stable again. You're going to want to have these hooks facing up, kind of oriented like this. Again, slide it right through those top holes, drop it right on. We'll have the top piece right here, similar to this bottom one. Make sure these grooves are on the outside so that your sign is facing towards the customers. Just slide it right into the holes. Then we're going to move to the middle rack. Same thing. Make sure that these hooks are facing up. Line it up, drop it in. Last step, you have your signage. They're all different sizes, so it's very easy to know which ones go where. Just slide them all in. That is how we set up the new rack. It's pretty simple.